How do I end a Messenger video call?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a very straightforward task, but one that's crucial when you're using Facebook Messenger. We're going to learn how to end a Messenger video call. It's a simple process, and we'll guide you through it step by step.
Accessing the video call screen.
The first step is to make sure you're on the video call screen. This is the screen you see when you're actively on a call. You should be able to see your own video feed, as well as the video feed of the person you're talking to.
Locating the end call button.
Now that you're on the video call screen, look at the bottom center of the screen. You'll see a red button that looks like a telephone handset. That's the end call button.
Ending the call.
Here comes the easy part. To end the call, simply tap the red end call button. That's it. The video call will end, and you'll be taken back to your conversation screen. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to end a Messenger video call. It's a quick, simple process, but it's always helpful to know. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that you'll have no trouble ending your Messenger video calls in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!